Hello and welcome to this week's news highlights. We begin with big rule changes as India steps into 2026. From January 1, several new policies kicked in, directly impacting households and businesses. Commercial LPG prices jumped up by 111 rupees per cylinder, hitting restaurants and small businesses even as domestic LPG prices stayed unchanged. At the same time, unlinked PAN cards have become inoperative, making PAN Aadhaar linking urgent for taxpayers and businesses. On the trade front, India scored a major win as Australia removed all tariffs on Indian exports, opening zero duty access for textiles, gems, leather and processed foods. Meanwhile, the 8th Pay Commission officially came into force, raising expectations of salary and pension hikes for over 1 crore central government employees and pensioners. Next, a boost for farmers. In Bihar, the government's Krishi Drone Chhirkav Yojana is transforming agriculture. With 50% subsidy, drones are now being used to spray pesticides and liquid fertilizers, cutting costs, saving water and completing work in minutes instead of hours. The state aims to cover over 56,000 acres in 2025-26. In Uttar Pradesh, women's safety is getting stronger under Mission Shakti 5.0. The state plans to equip 1,600 Mission Shakti centers with scooters and mobile phones, enabling faster response, real-time monitoring and better support for women in distress. Indian Railways is also preparing for the future. By 2030, it plans to double the number of trains originating from 48 major cities, easing congestion through new terminals, extra platforms and expanded maintenance facilities. And finally, Maharashtra is stepping into the AI future. Gautam Adani has inaugurated the Sharad Chandra Pawar Center of Excellence in AI at Baramati, focused on agriculture, healthcare and innovation. A move expected to boost skills, startups and local employment. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates shaping India's future.